What's happening, everybody? It's your boy OG Kitch coming back with another edition of Kitchen Everything. Hope everybody had a prosperous, productive day. If your yesterday didn't get no better than today, then you probably did something wrong. Because today is always supposed to be better than yesterday. Just a little nugget right there. Anywho, today we're going to keep it simple. It's Thursday. I got shit to do. Clients tomorrow. So I ain't trying to be in the kitchen all day. So right here, what we're making today is saffron rice and Sierra chicken. Okay, so here we got the rice. Just got done. I know what you're saying. Well, that's just yellow rice. I can go in the store and get yellow rice. Go and walk in the store and get that goddamn ounce of motherfucking saffron. See if your money built like that. This shit expensive. Do you know I can get an ounce of motherfucking other stuff cheaper than this? Nah, dang. They must be bugging out here in these streets. I don't need to be slinging nothing but saffron. We don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. That's enough. I'm handling this stuff like crack rocks. Boy, shit. Picture that. Gracias. Just fluff the rice up. Get the saffron up in there. Woohoo! Get your ass down there. Yeah, I don't like that sound. If you notice, I didn't throw that fork in the sink when I just got done with it. Because I ain't done with it. It's still saffron on that goddamn fork. Y'all must think I'm joking. This shit expensive. Roll on over here. Come holler at your boy. Alright. Give me a second to get everything together. Get the chicken together. Be right back. Back at you. Alright, let me give you the rundown of what we got here. We got some diced tomatoes. Yo, I don't know what they doing over at Simply Produce, but they tomatoes be off the chain. I don't even like tomatoes like that, but damn, see how dark red and juicy them joints look? Got some green onions, barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, bacon. Let me show you how this gonna go down. I don't know what this little piece is here for, but this is one of them dishes that you can't never have too much anything. You can't say, oh, that's too much barbecue sauce. Oh, that's too much bacon. Oh, that's too much cheese. Maybe you too much. How about that? So what did y'all do today? What did I do today? I got up and did nothing.